this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create group chat on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You might have used Instagram on your smartphone in the past or still do so, isn't it? You do. You might have come across direct messaging to friends since it is very exciting feature to behold. Despite these upsides, Instagram has a gray region where you cannot send a single post to multiple friends directly via Instagram. This is where Instagram group chat has come to your rescue. And in this video, I will show you how to create the group chat on your Instagram. So, it's so simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your DM by tap on the upper right corner here. From here, you can just click on the upper right corner here. And you'll find there is an option, create group chat. You can just tap on that. You can choose for your friend that you want to add to your group chat. We'll choose this too. You can add the group name. Maybe for the example, I will name this group as a group. Now you can just tap on create group chat. So here's your group chat on your Instagram. It's a simple, right? Your friend will get notified from Instagram that that you invite them to your chat group on Instagram. And you can start conversation in this group. And also you can share reels or any post from Instagram to that group. So simple, right? So that is how to create group chat on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.